Hello, this is Luke here, coming to you with a quick tutorial about coupon codes. So as you can see, we're doing things quite a bit differently here at FundMyComic. We have kind of created the shopping cart, which eliminates the entire need for the add-ons altogether. In fact, what we're doing here is we've kind of created an a la carte environment that will allow the backer to pick and choose what they want as far as their rewards go. And you no longer have to worry about bundles. You can kind of just create the items that you want in the cart, and people can add those as they see fit. So let's say if they wanted a digital reward, they could add the digital with that. We do have this new feature where you're able to add up to 5 of each instance of each reward into the cart. Right here, you'll notice that I have a physical copy of this book, and I can add up to 5 copies of that. We're just going to add 3 here. And then I have a t-shirt option where I can choose a t-shirt and add that to the cart as well. We have another t-shirt as well, and then we have some commission work that is available on this campaign. What I want you to recognize and kind of see here is that now that we've got all of these things into the cart, we have now the ability to tip or no tip. It shows the digital, it shows 3 times the 25, and then it shows the t-shirt that we have available here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put in my shipping address for my business here so that you can see this. So this shows country specific, $8 shipping. And then this will be for the t-shirt, $7. Now the book and the t-shirt are coming from 2 different places. I'm handling the book, and the t-shirt is being handled by a third-party company, a fulfillment center that I use. So here you'll notice that the contribution total is $115, and then it's $31 shipping. But what we want to do is we want to reduce the shipping, because right now they're getting charged 3 times $8 on this particular book right here. This one right here, the physical. And so coupon codes are kind of the key to being able to reduce the shipping for people when they add all of the things to the cart that they want, so they're not paying exorbitant amounts. And so over the course of the next few minutes, I hope to explain the coupon code in great detail. Right now, I've got a coupon code already attached to the physical copy of the book. I do not have it attached to the t-shirt, and the reason why it's not attached to the t-shirt is because it's coming from a different location. So when people add this, the default code that I'm using right now, and it's important for you to note that you can choose any code that you want and make it function any way that you want. You just have to work with the admins to make that happen. The codes do work either by dollars off or percentages off, and they can be anything you want. I set one up for ship 2. That's SHIP, the number 2. When I hit apply, it takes $12 off, and you can see that right here at the bottom. And so what happens is down here, $12 is taken off of the total, which offsets the printing, the shipping by $12, which reduces the total payment to $134. So this is the ability to make add-ons and reduce the shipping. So what has happened here is they have paid $4 per book to ship. So let's get out of this, and I want to get into a little more detail. If you're a campaign manager, you're going to see back here on your back end, this is your campaign management dashboard. Everyone will have it when you've created a campaign. You access it by going to your little picture up there and hitting My Campaigns, and it will just load in here. All the campaigns that you have active and closed will all be there. I want to show you the back end of Out of Obscurity, just so that you are aware, kind of see how that works. So not only here can, and I'll be doing quick tutorials to show you how to access a lot of this other stuff as well. But here, I just want to go to Edit. And that is going to bring up my Edit dashboard. In the Edit dashboard, you're going to go to Rewards. So follow that tab, go to Rewards. Another quick reminder, this toggle for pagination. Pagination is where it creates pages, where you click the number and it progresses you through the rewards. If you don't like that and you want continuous scroll, just make sure that it's clicked off. Make sure it's grayed out. Okay, so in this instance, what I'm doing is I want to offer a discount on this book right here. If people decide to buy more than one copy, right now my default shipping, as you can see, is $8. For the US, $30 worldwide. I know that if people buy 2 books, it's not going to cost me $8. It's not going to cost me $16 to ship that. So what I want to do is I want to add the discount code that if they add multiple items, it takes $4 off. So this will take $4 off of every instance of this. So that means they will pay only $4 to ship each book, making 2 books basically free shipping because it's the same price as the $8. If I add a third book, it adds $4 more. It makes it $12, another $16, so on and so forth, up to 5. So this is where you would add that code right here. It's very simple to add the code. It's default in the system. It says option. You can go start typing it in, and if there's a code associated, it will drop down in gray, as you can see here on the screen, and then you choose that. We also have some other default codes in the system, a couple of neat ones that you might be able to use. We also have another default $4 off discount. It's buy 2 save. So you buy 2 and you save. It's a little longer than the ship 2, but it does the same thing. We also have save 10 and save 20. Both of those take 10 and 20% off your purchase, only on the rewards that it is attached to. So we're going to go ahead and go back here to ship 2 because that is the one that I prefer to use. All right, now this will only apply to this item. The coupon codes will only apply to the item that it's attached to, and you can only use 1 coupon code per item. I can't type in another one here. Like if I were to try to do save 2 or save 10, as you can see, nothing happens. I can only apply 1 coupon code per item. You can also only use 1 coupon code per transaction. So if you have multiple coupon codes, the backers are going to have to choose which one they prefer to use. So here I have the ship 2. Now it's probably a good idea that right here in the for the physical copy, what I do is I put a note up here at the top. Use code ship 2 when backing multiple items to save on shipping. And I'm going to make that look better because this is all HTML, so I can do all kinds of cool things with this. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to choose a different font family. I like Impact. Let's make that, no, I don't like Impact on that one. Let's do Verdana. Let's make this centered up like that. Let's bold that and make it larger. Let's do larger font size. That should work just fine. All right. Use code SHIP2 when backing multiple items to save on shipping. So that's saved. Let's go ahead and down here and click Save. But it is important to remember you can only use 1 shipping code per item per transaction. You can apply it to as many as you want. If I were to apply that shipping code to the t-shirt, it would also affect the t-shirt. If I were to apply it to the digital, it would affect the digital, but that's not what we're trying to use this for. We're simply using it to reduce the shipping on the book so that we can have multiple books in the cart and not overcharge for shipping. If you're wanting to create a coupon code, it's pretty simple. You let us know what you want it to be, and I will actually show you some of the back end here in administration so that you can see where this goes. I actually have coupons in a whole section over here. And we have the discount codes that have been created. Many times we create these and we leave them in there. They're for different people. Like we have the full shipping as an extra one, $4 off shipping when you're a return customer. We have all of these things here. So what we would do is we could just add coupon code or delete coupon code. And so we would create a new coupon code for you. So let's say you wanted to create add-ons on your website, on your campaign, and we'll show you how to do that. So if I wanted to add an add-on and I wanted it to have a different shipping model than everything else, and I didn't want to discount the regular book, but let's say I had a little bundle or something that I wanted as an add-on, I could simply do this. I could do add-on. I'll just call it the add-on code. Add-on code. And then I will just type in add-on. Add-on will be my coupon code. And this is going to take $5 off shipping. So on this one, we're just going to reduce the shipping totals by $5. For this one, I'm going to choose amount, 5, and choose amount here. I can choose percentage or amount, but that's how these work. So now I've saved those changes and add-on is created. Now what I want to do is I want to go back to my campaigns. Let's go right back into this out of obscurity. We're going to go back to edit. We're going to go back to rewards. Now let's say I wanted to add a poster on for this one. Let's do an add-on for a poster. We want to make that poster just $5, okay? We'll call it add-on poster. Let's throw an image in here. And then I'm going to add a description. All right, we're going to use coupon code add-on to apply free shipping. Let's do the font family changes again. Make that look nice. We're going to up that to a 14. Let's do 24. And we are going to make that larger. I'm going to bold that, maybe even underline it. All right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to coupon code. We're going to type in add-on. That will take off the $5. If we have a limited item number, we'll put that here so we can reduce that. Now what we want to do is we want to add the shipping cost. So we're going to go to country specific shipping, type in United States, and we're going to add $5. Because if they don't use the code and they just want to buy the thing itself, $5 is what it would cost to ship a mini poster. So we're going to add the shipping right here. Now, if they're from out of the US, we can do worldwide shipping. I do suggest that you do not include Canada in worldwide shipping. Please try to find out the Canada prices so you can list that separately. Maybe even the UK because of VAT tax. But you go here, and so I know that if I'm going to ship that internationally by itself, it's going to cost probably $11 or $12 for one item. So let's do for an add-on, and I know I want to take off $5, so I'm going to have to add a little bit because of the VAT tax. So let's plan and just do $10. So I'll just add $10 shipping, which will reduce that worldwide shipping to $5. Okay, so now that's done. I'll just save changes. Now, you do not have to submit for review every time that you make changes to the rewards. The rewards are completely free. You can do that whenever you like. The only time that you have to really worry about about being sent for review is when you edit the details section of the website. When you edit the details section, this will trigger for review. Okay, so it's very important that you understand that. Rewards, not a problem. Take care of it. Just a problem. Just fine. All right. Now that that's saved, we're going to go back and we're going to look at this again. So let's go back to the campaign. And as you can see, it is up here now. And it has now added the shipping. Now we have a new update that's going to be adding very soon. But you're going to be able to reorder your rewards as you want. So right here, $5 plus shipping add-on poster. If I choose that, and then I also choose this, now I have two choices. I can use ship to, because technically now I have 2 items in the cart, so it should apply the discount to the physical item, taking $4 off. Or I could take advantage of this add-on using add-on code to reduce the shipping to make it free. So reduce shipping versus free shipping, guess what? We're using add-on. Free shipping is even better. Uh-oh, because I typed it in wrong. Add-on, apply. $5 discount applied. And there you go. Go to the shipping. Takes that $5 off completely. There you go. That's how you use it. Coupon codes can be a very powerful tool, very simple tool to use. You're going to want to make sure that you are using those wisely for all of your campaigns, making sure that you are allowing people to make the most of your shopping cart. But this is, I believe, a far superior method of allowing backers to really pick the items that they want to put in their cart, to really be able to tailor the shopping experience for themselves. We will not be adding add-ons. It's a redundant feature. With the shopping cart, we do not need add-ons. Also, now that we can add multiple instances of each item, add-ons are also not necessary. So now that you can add up to 5 of each item and put them in the cart, it's 5 items times 5 plus shipping. Apply code SHIP2. Takes $20 off the shipping. Choose the address. As you can see, offsets the shipping by $20. And again, it's going to take that money, that discount is going to come off of the contribution and not the shipping. But you're offsetting the shipping with the contribution. All right, so the total is $145. That total $145 is actually what hits your tracker. So when we look at the tracker for this campaign, the $145 would apply here, not the contribution amount. We did have it to where only the contribution amount had affected this and shipping was collected separately. They really wanted to be able to see the totals with shipping, apples to apples, like they do with the other sites. So we went in and we turned that feature off, and we haven't looked back. We haven't looked back at all. But that is how you use add-ons with the shopping cart. This is a different shopping experience. It is a new shopping experience for the backers. It is not a repeat of what we're seeing everywhere else. We're actually trying to make something brand new for everyone to be able to enjoy. And the ability to create individual reward experience, I think, is paramount for us. Again, thanks for being here. If you have any other questions, please contact support, and we will be happy to serve you. Have a great day.